After inspecting and testing the Lexar ARES RGB DDR5-6000, I think this new set of memory does what other Lexar products have shown us in the past, which is delivering quality and performance without necessarily standing out. Even so, the performance results show that the Lexar ARES RGB DDR5-6000 2x16GB kit is a solid set of memory. For one, we have a nice showing of RGB lighting and a sleek set of heatsinks over the all-black PCB. Running at a slightly lower 1.3 volts and with tight cast latencies, the ARES RGB was able to deliver a favorable showing in our results for both synthetic and real-world simulation tests. It was able to keep up with its competition at the same transfer rates and even came up on top in a handful of benchmarks. Furthermore, we were able to overclock the Lexar ARES RGB DDR5-6000 by increasing voltage to 1.35 volts and hitting DDR5-6400 without needing to relax its timings. The result was Prime 95 stable and represented a 6.7% overclock. In combination with its SK Hynix chips and limited lifetime warranty, this is a commendable showing. At the time of the review, the Lexar ARES RGB DDR5-6000 2x16GB kit is priced at $150. While this would have been decent pricing in the past, the market is becoming increasingly competitive such that other DDR5 kits at similar speeds and latencies are available for even less. As such, the ARES RGB DDR5-6000 is an admirable start for Lexar's DDR5 options, and I hope to see even more options from them in the future. I'd love to hear what you think of this RGB DDR5 RAM in the comments down below.